How to launch a Google Ads campaign for YouTube fast. If you're eager to promote your YouTube channel or videos with a quick and effective Google Ads campaign, you're in the right place. Let's walk you through the basic steps to get your campaign up and running swiftly. First, ensure you have a Google Ads account. If not, sign up at ads.google.com. Once you've logged in, click on New Campaign to begin. Choose your marketing objective. For YouTube promotions, you'll likely select product and brand consideration, or brand awareness and reach. Next, set up your campaign type. Select video as your advertising content on YouTube. Decide the campaign subtype, such as skippable in-stream ads or bumpers, depending on your strategy and budget. Now, it's time to set a daily budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend each day to ensure your ad stays active. A small initial budget, like $10 a day, is often a good starting point. Remember, you can adjust this later based on performance. Targeting options come next. Refine your audience by selecting demographics like age, gender, parental status, and household income. For broader outreach, you can also target by interests, keywords, or even remarket to those who've engaged with your content before. Upload your video ad. Ensure it's compelling and directly calls the viewer to action. This is your moment to capture their attention and guide them to your channel or specific video. Accompany your video with an eye-catching thumbnail, a short, punchy title, and a clear description. Lastly, review your campaign settings. Ensure everything aligns with your goals and hit Create Campaign to make it live. Don't forget to monitor your campaign's performance regularly to fine-tune targeting and budget settings. And there you have it, a fast and straightforward way to launch a Google Ads campaign for your YouTube channel. If this guide was helpful, please subscribe and like the video for more tips and tricks.